There are many reasons to choose the refurbished 2024 Kia Seltos. Starting at $24,390, first of all, it's an affordable SUV. But of course there's more to the new Seltos than that. The SUV.da has standard dual LCDs for instruments and infotainment. According to Kia, about 70% of buyers get the 146 HP base engine, while also offering a powerful turbocharged engine with around 200 horsepower. So far we have only used turbo Seltos, with that in mind. Let's continue. The 2024 Seltos will continue to come standard, with a 146 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder on the LX, S and X trim levels. The turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and ported SX trims found in the new X line add a bit more power, especially this year. That's because the 2024 Seltos turbocharged engine packs 20 extra horses into a healthy total of 195 horsepower, leaving some key rivals like the Honda HR-V in the dust. New for 2024, the turbo engine's 8-speed automatic transmission replaces the previous 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. We believe this new combination will deliver an 8.1-second drive from 0 to 60 miles per hour with the old Seltos Turbo. All turbocharged Seltos models come standard with all-wheel drive and provide an EPA estimated 26 mpg overall fuel economy. When you get down to the base 2.0-liter engine, with front-wheel drive, you'll see 31 mpg combined, while the 2.0 adds AWD to a net 29 mpg. That's pretty good. The Honda HR-V, which also has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, returns an estimated 28 mpg, with FWD and 27 mpg with AWD. The 2024 Kia Seltos has plenty of power, especially if you prioritize the turbocharged engine. All models now feature a dual display as standard, consisting of a front digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen placed in a single bezel. The base 60 hardware includes smaller screens, but still digital displays, while the rest of the Seltos lineup comes with twin 10.25-inch displays in addition. While the 2024 Kia Seltos gains an extra USB port in the rear. For a new maximum of 4 ports, the SX sunroof package now counts ventilated front seats, power tailgate and phone functionality among its upgrades. Seltos has always benefited from its generous feature content. But these improvements for the Kia Seltos 2024 make it even uglier in a typical understated segment. Kia has also strengthened the Seltos driving aids for 2024. The forward collision system now detects both pedestrians and cyclists, and the adaptive cruise control system can now respond to changing speed limits. On the highway, we turned on adaptive cruise with lane keeping assistance, and Seltos drives itself just fine, keeping us center in the lane and deftly adjusting our following distance. This adaptive cruise only comes in the top SX trim level. The 2024 Kia Seltos has plenty of power, especially if you prioritize the turbocharged engine.